This is a small tutorial video on what you should do when your ad account get disabled, okay? So the first thing which you need to do is open up your ad account, and since I'm in a different country, so I won't be able to request a review. So there are two possibilities. Either you will see a message over here in yellow or orangey color which says only active accounts can create or edit its ads, and it will give you a message or a button to click on which says review your ad account. Okay, otherwise you will see this message, account status warning, there was some unusual activities on your account. You need to verify your account by paying them either a balance of $1 which they are going to give you in return within 24 hours, or maybe sometime it's really instant, they just verify your card and they allow you to run all the kind of ads. So you need to click on verify your account, enter your name over here, select an ad account. Okay, so this is the ad account which was disabled, and always select an excuse which is you were recently been traveling. Okay, if you have this, if they have noticed some unusual activities, so just let them know. I have a script prepared over here, okay, which is with Facebook script. Okay, so you can just simply copy paste that script, not word to word, but little bit out of this. Just screenshot this if you want to. Okay, this is the script which you can write down, and otherwise I'll leave the link of these kind of scripts in the description of this video. Okay, and there's another one which you can use from excuse me. So you can just just screenshot this one, and you can just copy paste that script over here, enter your name and click on the send button, and within few days or within like 2 business days, Facebook is going to open your ad account 100%. Okay, this is not guaranteed, but I would say like 99% of the times Facebook is going to re-enable your account, or they're going to give you the access back to run the ads on your ad account. Okay, otherwise there is another video in the description below. You can borrow an ad account from your friend, you can borrow their business manager accounts, and you can create a business manager on their account, give the access of their business manager to your ad account, and then start doing the business like that. Okay, so you can watch the videos. If you need any kind of help, feel free to reach out to me. Okay, see you in the next. Bye bye.